Hello kaguro! Here's a simple tips on how to make our food last longer during this quarantine period. Keep your fridge at the right temperature. According to the Food and Drug Administration, the right temperature for fridges should be at 4 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit, while a freezer should be at negative 18 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Organize your fridge. Follow the first-in, first-out rule to optimize your goods. Store all the older foods at the front of the pantry or fridge and place newer ones at the back. Keep dairy and eggs at the back of your fridge. As people open and close fridges regularly, it's best to keep them at the back of the fridge where temperature is more consistent. Keep bread at room temperature. Refrigerated bread can stale up 6 times faster than bread kept in room temperature. Freeze leftovers. In the fridge, leftovers can last for 3 to 4 days, while placing them in the freezer can make them last for as long as 3 months.